Our directions for this problem are to compose the two formulas. We are told a patient with a metastatic testicular carcinoma, boy, that's a mouthful, is to receive platinol 20 milligrams per meter squared of IV daily for 5 days. He weighs 173 pounds, 65 inches tall. To calculate the order, or to calculate the correct dose of platinol, the nurse will use the following formula. The nurse will use the body surface area formula, which calculates the meter squared by taking the square root of pounds times inches divided by 3131. And then the nurse will use the dose formula, which is 20 times the meter squared. So just with the directions at the top of the slide, we're to compose the two formulas. That means we're to substitute one formula into the other formula. And we see the directions restated at the bottom of the slide to write a single formula that calculates the dose. So how am I going to do that? Well, it's substitution. In the dose formula, I have meters squared, and I have a separate formula for meters squared, which is going to need to be substituted in here. So to compose the two formulas, or to write a single formula, the dose is going to equal 20 times the square root. I'm putting the square root, because that's the formula, where the meter squared used to be, and it is the square root of the pounds, times the inches divided by 3131. Now, it does not ask us to actually calculate the dose of platinol for this patient, even though it gives us enough information that we could do that, because it does give the patient's weight in pounds and the height in inches, so we could plug them in. But it just asks us to compose the two formulas, which is to use substitution to create a